Hi, welcome to week 4 of Knowledge November. I wanted to talk today a little bit about settlement agreements and social media. We're all probably used to the idea of settlement agreements from the employer's perspective, containing some gagging clauses, although obviously if you work in the public sector, the extent to which you're able to do that might be restricted. The aim being, from the employer's perspective, that you want to have some control over the things that the employee may say or do after they've left. I think it's quite important to sort of extrapolate that out and draw to people's attention when they are leaving that confidentiality, that gagging does relate to their social media activities as well. The reason why I say that is quite often if the horse has bolted and there's been some kind of a breach of confidentiality. I'm thinking of the employee who posts on their Facebook page that, you've made the employer pay, those sorts of things. The damage is done by the time that you see it. And whilst we might have clauses in settlement agreements dealing with things like somebody have to pay you the money back if they have breached confidentiality, the damage, if you like, is done at that point. So prevention is better than cure. So if we can draw to people's attention that this means that you won't say certain things on social media, then I think that is very worthwhile doing. One of the issues that always arises around social media, where employers are asking employees to perhaps not use certain services or not say certain things on certain services, arises around the extent to which an employee's actually got any control over the particular social media product that they might be using. So, for example, I don't think it's possible for somebody to delete contacts off LinkedIn, for example. But what I am seeing more and more employers doing, and this counts in contracts of employment as well as settlement agreements, is perhaps having an agreement that somebody won't, for example, change their status on their LinkedIn page to say that they've left an organisation until a certain point in time, or some control over what they say when they do put that they've left. So all things that are worth thinking about, making sure if you are entering into a settlement agreement, you do think about, what do I need to think about from a social media perspective. If anyone's got any questions, please do email me, adenton@refreshinglawlimited.co.uk. Thank you very much.